Welcome to Gentec, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentec products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Place the flange in position. Fit the tap body to the bench top. Secure the washers and back nuts from underneath and tighten them into place. Connect the hot and cold water supply lines to the tap body. Position the spout correctly, then tighten the grub screw from the rear. Now turn on the water supply and check for leaks. The lever handles include 3 color indicators that can be removed using a G-half thread. Simply screw in the G-half thread until the indicator loosens from its fixed position. Then pull it out and replace with your desired color indicator. The indicator system is engineered to secure handles to the tap body using a C-spanner or indicator spanner, eliminating the need for traditional screws and washers. Hot and cold to verify operation. Alternative installation method. Remove the indicator and secure it by directly screwing it onto the tap body until firmly tightened. Slide the handle over the indicator, align to desired position, then press firmly downward until it locks into place. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentec on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentecaustralia.com.au.